Hi, welcome to Utilitarian TV. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a very high resolution thumbnail using the KineMaster mobile application. So let's get started. Utilitarian TV. How have you been making your own thumbnail? Which of the mobile video editing app do you use in making thumbnail? Tell us the name of the app in the comment below. So to make a thumbnail with KineMaster, click on the add button and select the 16:9. Then add a background color and select the image you wish to use for the thumbnail. Click background to add color. In this case, I'll add a black color to the thumbnail. In case if you don't want to use a color for your background, you can check the backgrounds here. There are different backgrounds you can use for your thumbnail. Since you want to make a thumbnail, you don't need to increase the length of the background. You can leave it this way. And then the next thing to do is to add a picture. So the picture you want to use for the thumbnail, you have to select it from your gallery. So how do you do that? Is by clicking on layer. When you click media, it will add to the next panel, but click on layer. When you click on layer, you click on media, then select the image you want to use. Search for it and select it. Image selected. As you can see, the image has a background color of black. It is not necessary that your image to have a background color. It is recommended that you crop the background before you use it as a thumbnail. You can use a computer system to crop the background using CorelDRAW. In case if you don't know how to do that, check my video up there to know how to remove background from image. If you don't have a system, you can use some mobile application like Pixel Lab to remove the background from image. Adjust the image very well. If necessary to crop, you can click on the crop button here to crop the image. Then add the next thing, which is the text. add additional effect to this background like glowing star. Click on the layer and then select sticker. When you click sticker, you see different type of sticker. In case if you don't have the glowing star, you can download it using the store button. To save the thumbnail with a high resolution, click on this icon and select capture and save. Your thumbnail will be saved to your gallery. This is all for this video. If you found this video very useful, click the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.